Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I'm taking the 6 weeks protective hairstyle safely. The first thing I will do, I will grab my coconut oil and put all over her hair. The coconut oil helps her hair feel soft. It gives that silk kind of touch, so it makes it easy to be able to take out those 6 weeks braids. The next thing I do is to use my fingers to take out all those shed hair. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend or anyone you know. My next tip will be to cut the extension hair an inch from your natural hair. This will limit the amount of time it will take to take the hair out. And if you have some buildup around your hair, using coconut oil and your fingers will help remove those buildup safely. The next thing I will do, I will add leave-in conditioner on her hair, focusing on the ends, and I will also add my aloe vera shea butter on her ends. Because I'm not washing her hair today, I will make twists on each section that I am taking out. To take out the crochet braid, I will need my scissors to cut those hair, but I will have to be really careful not to cut her natural hair. Now that I have all the crochet hair out, I will use the same process that I used earlier. I'm gonna get my coconut oil, I'm gonna use my fingers, and I'm gonna be gentle as I'm detangling her hair and getting all those shed hair out using my fingers. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing the like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friends or anyone you know. Let me know in the comment below what are a few tips you do to take your hair out. Because tomorrow she's going to school, I had to come up with a quick hairstyle that will last for a day or two, something that will be cute and could last for a day or two. So what I did, I put up those twists in the bun, and I made 2 small twists in the front, and I added some little hair clips just to add some color on her hair.